Welcome to the Schedule Master Elite software. This is a brief introduction to give you an overview of the application. The software consists of three applications: the Person Minder, Organization Minder, and the Schedule Master applications. This is the main library area. Here we have the Person Minder icon highlighted. The columns represent data entry fields within the application. Now the columns are changeable. By right-clicking in the column area, you can actually choose a column chooser function, and you can add or remove columns as you see fit. For example, we can simply drag it in this case the birthday, into the column area, or we can remove it. We can also change the order of our columns by simply dragging and dropping. The Organization Minder displays the same column setup, and again, these represent the data entry fields within the Organization Minder. This is what the Schedule Master looks like on the front end. Note the column for the calendar listings, and note the appointment time slot screen. Now, both Person Minder and Organization Minder are accessible from within the Schedule Master application. You can use them independently, but as the instruction series will show, you can also access these from within the Schedule Master. We'll open up a new screen for the Person Minder. Note that you have a space to load an image. This is our data entry field for your contact. We have a tabbed folder for website or online info. The picture gallery is really a utility to allow you to save photographic files into the software. That will be explained later in the instructional series. And the Documents Files utility does the same thing. You can save other documents or files into your contact. Okay, now I jumped back to the main screen. We'll look at the Organization Minder. Again, there's a space for you to enter a photograph or some other image. This is the main data entry field for your organization. A tabbed menu allows you to enter online information. The Contact Files allows you to access the Person Minder from within the Schedule Master, or from within the Organization Minder. And you have the Picture File utility so that you can save images directly into the Organization Minder, and then the Documents and Files utility that allows you to save directly into the Organization Minder. Now we have jumped back to the main screen, and we'll highlight the Schedule Master icon. And to bring up a new screen, we can select our time slot or an individual time slot. We can double click, or we can simply click New. This brings us to our data entry screen. For Event, you have the following fields, which we'll explain later. Here you have the Person Minder, and you can access the Person Minder and enter data directly from the Schedule Master application. As well with the Organization Minder, you can enter data directly from within the Schedule Master, as well as image files and document files. There's nothing here, however, later in the instructional series you'll see how we add information. And now we have jumped back again to the main screen, and that wraps up this very brief introduction just to show you what the software looks like. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.